Hello little buddies, so Rakhi is around the corner. Let's make a beautiful Rakhi. So first of all need your clay. Here I am using air dry clay. Now use any heavy object to make it flatten. Then I will use a cap to trace the circle. Making a circle shape is not mandatory. You can make any kind of shape. Here I am using a tweezer to make hole in this, but you can use any sharp object. Now roll your clay and cut it into equal shapes. Then make tiny balls out of it. Now press with your finger to turn this into petals. Now connect all the petals into a line and roll in the way as I am showing in the video. Now for third flower, take teardrop shaped clay and cut exactly as I am showing in the video. But make sure if you are underage or child, ask your elders to help you. Now let all the elements dry for 24 hours and then start your painting. And then use strong glue to stick all the elements. And obviously for Rakhi we need a thread, so here I am using a woolen thread. And then add pearls to make it extra cute. At last, tie knots on both sides. That's it, your unique handmade Rakhi is ready. Now ask your brother to gift you something special because special Rakhi deserves special gift.